Instructions for cleaning and storing your cold therapy unit. First, unplug the power supply from the electrical outlet. To avoid danger of electrical shock, do not unplug the power supply with wet hands. Transport cooler to sink. Empty the cooler and remove filter cap for later cleaning. Refill cooler with hot tap water to fill line. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of bleach. Replace lid and place unit on a dry, level surface with pad connected. Plug unit in and let run for 5 to 10 minutes. This will flush out any hard sediment or debris. Unplug the power supply from the electrical outlet. Next, disconnect cold pad from hose. Drain cooler and wipe dry. Drain the cold pad by holding it so that the hose is hanging downward, pressing the buttons at the end of the hose and allowing all water to drain out of the cold pad. It is common and expected that some residual water will remain inside the cold pad. To clean the filter cap, simply run cap under warm water while scrubbing with a non-abrasive sponge.